Good morning, children. Once again, welcome back with our new topic of chapter separation of substances. This is our fourth chapter, separation of substances. As I have discussed in the earlier classes about the homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture, I think you have understood the difference between the homogeneous and the heterogeneous mixture. I have also performed a practical or the demonstrated in front of you about the homogeneous and the heterogeneous mixture. So today I will discuss a new topic from your book. Our topic is separation of substances. Separation of substances. Now I will take one subtopic from your book, separating the components. Separating the components. Now one thing more, listen, try to think that there is a variety of material around us. Variety of materials around us, and all this variety, there is a variety of mixture also present around us. Variety of mixture also present around us. So all the mixtures first categorize into three categories. Mixtures are categorized into three categories because there is a variety of mixture, variety of materials around us. So mixture are categorized into three categories. Okay, and I will take one by one all the category one by one and discuss which method of separation comes under which topic. I have written on the board few topics, different types of mixture. Some solids get mixed with solid, some solid get mixed with liquid, some liquid get mixed with liquid. The variety of mixtures are there. So all these type of mixture first get categorized into three categories. Okay, after that all this category I have taken up one by one, and what method of separation comes under which topic. I have written on the board few words. Now look at the board. Now look at the board. Here is I have written chapter 4. This is chapter 4 and this is your subtopic, separating the components. This is our subtopic, separating the components. This is the subtopic, and this 3 points here because variety of mixture I have told you earlier. There is a variety of mixture. So all these mixture are categorized into three categories. Variety of mixture first categorized into three categories. Look at here, 1 A, B, C. Three categories are there. First categories are mixture in which solid get mixed with solid. That is the mixture of two or three or different solid material. This is the mixture of solids. Means कि solid get mixed with solid. Such type of mixture. Second type of mixture is solids with liquid. Means कि that is a mixture in which solid get mixed with liquid. This is also a type of mixture. Third one is the C is the mixture liquids with liquid. Means कि liquids mixed with liquid. This is also a type of mixture. Liquid with liquid is a mixture, solid with liquid is a mixture, and solid with a solid is a mixture. There is a three categories of mixture. Each and every category is having different method of separation of substances. So today I will not take up separation of substances B and C. Today I will take only A number, separation of substance. Which type of mixture? Mixture solid mixed with solid, solids with solid. This is the type of mixture. Now solids with solid, there is a variety of process also of separating the components. Solids get separated from solid. There is also variety of process also. I will discuss few process. First process is I will discuss today hand picking. Hand picking, P-I-C-K-I-N-G. This is the one method of separating solid from solid. Number two is the sieving. Sieving, do you know? Sieving is another process of separating solid from solid. Number three is the threshing. T-H-R-E-S-H-I-N-G. Threshing is also a process of separating solid material from solid. Today I will separate the mixture. What type of mixture? Mixture get mixed with solid material get mixed with solid. So such mixture gets separated by applying different physical method. Physical, there is no chemical method. Physically by hand picking, physically by using sieving process, physically by using thresher. Thresher is a machine that is used to separate the solid from solid. So listen, but I want to perform a practical or the demonstration of the two of the method. I have also collected some material, some mixture as possible. I have collected some materials. So today I will demonstrate the two process of separating hand picking and the sieving by doing a practical demonstration. And threshing is not shown through demonstration because it is impossible to perform such separation of method at my home. So today I will only two process I will discuss or demonstrate in front of you, and after that I will discuss about the all three method. After the demonstration I will discuss about all three methods in details. Now come to the practical. Come on children, look at here. There is a four type of mixture I have collected. There is a four type of mixture, four types. One type of mixture, second type, third type of mixture. This is the four type of mixture I have collected as possible. In my house I have collected four types of mixture because I am going to teach you hand picking, sieving and threshing. So two process I can discuss with you through demonstration. These two process are, first one is the hand picking and second one is the sieving. So first of all, hand picking means separating two solids from using hand by picking up with hand. Look at here. This is a mixture. Two materials get mixed with each other. Look at here. I will separate two solids from a mixture. This is pulses. These pulses get mixed. Some paper also and some peas are there. So I will separate two solids from each other by picking it up with our hands. I am picking. Look here. Your mama also performs such activities, such practical at your home. Your mama uses such process of separating some solids from the solid mixture during cooking. Look at here. Mama also uses such process of separation by like this. This black pepper is separated from the pulse by hand, by picking by hand. I am also separating this solid material from the mixture. Look at here. I have separated. Look at here. All the peppers and the peas get separated by hand. Such process is called hand picking, and this process is possible when the components of the mixture are of different types. Look at here. This is yellow in color. These peas are white in color, off-white in color, and this pepper are black in color. And all the components are different in shape and size and color also. Shape, size and colors are also different. So this method may be applied, and whenever the amount of separation of substance must be a small amount, then this method is applied to separate the solids from solids. Come to the next mixture. This is our next mixture. This is rice. This rice having few grains of gram. Look at here. Both the color of the rice and the grams are different, and size of the gram and rice are also different. So I can easily separate the material gram from the rice by picking up by hand. Look at here. Just observe. I am just picking up all the gram from the rice, means ki separating solid substance from solid material, solid components from solid. This is we are studying mixture. Solid get mixed with solid. I am just separating by hand picking. This is hand picking process. This process also your mama uses at home during cooking. You know, hand picking. Each and every home, each and every mother uses this process of separation of substance, solid from solid. This process applied where? When the quantity is very small quantity and two materials are different shape and size. Look at here. Different color, different size, different shape. It is here. Look at here. This is rice. Get separated all the grams here. This is the hand picking process. Now next, come to the next process. I am just separating. Next process, sieving. I have also few materials. This is the sieve. Sieve, do you know? Sieve, yinsri chalni, sieve. This is also a type of sieve. Two sieve I have. Both the sieves having mesh, wire mesh, plastic mesh of different size. Both the sieves, the wire mesh size is different. This is the wire mesh. Size are different. Whole size are different. This is the whole size are different because during sieving different sieve can be used. Sieve यानी कि चलनी. Different types of sieve can be used. Depends on the what are the material size of the material. Depends on the size of the materials. We can use the different size sieve. Now let us first I will use such sieve. This sieve by separating simple flour. Look at here. This flour having some impurities, some mixture. So I will use the sieving process like this. Your mama also uses such process like this. This is sieving. This is sieving. Look at here. Look at here. Some solids get separated from the flour. Look at here. These are the solids get separated from the flour. This is the process of separating solid from solid. By which method? What is the name of this process? Sieving process. This is the sieving process. Next more example. Next more mixture is also I have. I will use such sieve because their whole size is different. Very fine because I am going to sieve some material that are very fine. Look at here. This is the white flour. This is white flour. This white flour also having some impurity. Look at here. I am also picking this impurities. Some white flour. The particles are very fine. So I am using the different size of sieve. Look at here. This is the mixture. Solid with solid. This solid. Some solid material get mixed with white flour. Look at here. This is sieving process. Look at here. Some impurities. Are you observing? Some impurities. Different color, different size. Different color and different size. Some impurities are there. This is different color and different size. This is sieve and this process is sieving. Whatever the different types of sieves depends on what type of material, what type of mixture you are sieving. It depends on, there is a variety of sieves. Depends on what type of mixture you are sieving. Is it clear? I think you have understood the method sieving and hand picking. Is it clear? Clear. As I have demonstrated the two process of separation by doing different practical, by collecting some example of mixture. So now I will describe or define the different process of separation of substances. We are studying which type of solid with solid. In which solid with solid, which method of separation is applied, I have discussed right now. First process I have taken, look at the board now. First process, that was the hand picking process. You have seen the practical hand picking, how I pick up the materials from the mixture and mixture gets separated from each other. And whatever the particles, components, if there is a different components, size, shape and color are different. So hand picking is a process. I am writing, this is a process of separating components from a mixture by using hand. Example, pebbles from rice or dal. This is the hand picking. Your mama also uses such method of separation, hand picking process during cooking. Pebbles are picking up by hands and then see cooks the food. Is it clear? Any problem in hand picking? You may note down and write down the definition of hand picking. You will note down the definition of hand picking. I will take the another process of separation, that is sieving. Have you noted down? Noted down the process. I will clean the board. I will clean the board. Have you noted down? I think you have noted down. Next I am cleaning the board. This is cleaning. I am cleaning the board and writing next method, next process of separation. What was the next process of separation? Tell me. This was sieving. Number two, sieving. Sieving. This sieving process done with the help of sieve. Sieve means chalni. Sieving. Sieving process is used. Separation of substance. Separation of some solids from the mixture using sieves. Sieves. Different sieves. For example, pebbles from sand. Pebbles from sand in the construction area. Next one is the sieving floor. Sieving of floor, etc. Many more material that gets separated by sieving process. Many more material, many more mixes are there. So sieving is the process of separating some solid from the solid mixture. This sieving process is also used in the construction area. Most of the laborers or the people uses the different size of sieve to separate the pebbles from the sand in the construction area. So different sizes of sieve are present. It depends on what size of components are present in the mixture. As the size of the components in the mixture, that's according to that size of the components of the mixture, sieve is used. Different types of sieves are available for separating different size of components. Is it clear? Sieving process clear? I have also performed the practical or the demonstrated in front of you. I think you have understood the sieving process. Sieve yani ki chalni. Is it clear? Can I rub the definition? You will note it down the definition. This is the definition of sieving. Next, one more definition, one more process of separating solid from solid I will discuss on the board. Have you written? Yes. Write down. Yes, I think you have written the definition of sieving. Now come to the next process. Next process is threshing. Do you know threshing? Threshing has not done at home. This process of separating solid from solid mostly take place in the farms or farmers use करते हैं. Farmers. Threshing. 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 Threshing is a process. Write down here. Note it down with me. Threshing is a process of separating. What separating? Separating grains. Grains, do you know? From husk. From cut crops. Write down cut crops. From cut crops. Cut crops, do you know cut crops? Whenever the crops get mature in the field, the farmer cut the crops and get threshed using a thresher machine. Thresher is a machine that is used to thresh the cut crops. These cut crops get threshed by using a thresher. Cut crops are threshed by using a thresher machine, and grains are separated. Grains are separated from cut crops. This process This process, threshing is a process of separating grains from cut crops. This process uses a machine. Do you know machine? Just like floor machine. Machine that is called thresher. Thresher is a machine. This thresher is a machine. Thresher is a machine that is used to separate grains from the cut crops. This thresher is a machine that is used to separate grains from the cut crops. And such process is called threshing. Such process is called threshing. Is it clear? Is it clear? You will note it down the definition. Grains are separated from cut crops by a machine that is called thresher, and this process is called threshing. I think this process is called threshing. Is it clear? Note it down the definition. I think you have understood all the three process of separation of substances, solid substance from solid. I think you have understood. Is it clear? Yes? Yes, you understood. Now today I will conclude my class. Thank you. Have a nice day.